Hi guys, good morning. Here to tell you a little bit about a product that I purchased actually specifically for my wedding. As you can see, I have it in the bride bag still that I'm yet to completely unpack. So basically what it is it's a matte blotting paper by NYX, NYX. It's and NYX is definitely a really popular makeup brand. I've tried a bunch of products of theirs in the past and I love them. So I was asking my friends, I'm like, for your wedding, what did you wish that you packed with you, or what did you pack with you that you definitely needed? And a lot of my friends said you need matte blotting paper because you're running around, you're kissing people on the cheeks, it's hot, and I did get my makeup airbrushed and professionally done and all that, but the makeup artist doesn't stay with you during the wedding. So I have an oily T-zone, which is my forehead, my nose, and my chin, like right center of my face. So that tends to get oily pretty often, and I knew that it would happen on my wedding day, so I wanted to make sure that I had these and a couple little other essentials in my little bride bag right there. So unfortunately, during my wedding, I had no time to go and use these, but I wish I had. But I actually got married inside an aquarium, so it was probably more, and it was in March, so it wasn't like in the summer or anything like that, but it was probably more humid than other places because of the open tanks. So I really wanted to make sure I had these, and of course I tried them out several times, and I tried other brands before making the final purchase and deciding to bring these. So with this product, you just pat your face matte. It's a pulp paper that absorbs excess oil, leaving you looking fresh-faced. The pack comes with 50 sheets. So that's like the regular size, and that's the amount that it comes with, which is perfect. It'll last you a while. Product dimensions are 0.1 by 4 by 3 inches, and the shipping weight is 0.3 ounces. You can minimize shine on the nose, forehead, and cheeks with convenient blotting paper. The oil-absorbing blotting paper sheets eliminate shine without removing your makeup. So that's why it's better to use this than to just use a tissue, because I know some people will be like, oh, well, why don't you just use a tissue? Well, that's why. And it says, do these sheets smear or pick up any makeup? No, they don't, because the sheets are on like a really thin wax paper that is specially formulated to remove oil and not makeup. So I hate that my skin was always oily in the T-zone area. I know I don't have it as bad as some other people, but it's something that always drove me crazy, and nothing would really help. So I wanted to give these a go, try them out, make sure they'd be good for my wedding day, and they were perfect and super awesome and easy to use. So it just kind of tells you step 1, step 2, step 3. Tip: blot oily areas with NYX blotting paper. Shine is gone while makeup remains intact. Made in South Korea. Distributed by NYX Los Angeles in California. NYX Cosmetics distributors, and the website www.nyx.com. And this comes in kind of I guess this is cardboard, I'm not really sure. Some kind of paper. So I'm going to open this up. So it tells you again inside 50 sheets that it comes with. Take this out to show you guys the size. So they're super, super thin. They're very smooth. And basically all you do is just take one out and blot. Just blot your face. Like in my case, it's definitely my forehead that drives me crazier than anything else. And that's what gets the most oil. So it kind of just laps it up really nicely. And you'll see it'll be the color of your foundation, but it literally won't smear or take off any of your makeup. And then you can kind of use both sides of it, which is really good. So you don't just have to use one side, you can use both. So you can get there's 50 sheets, you can get 100 uses out of them, because you get double, because you're using the front and the back. Unless your skin's really oily, then maybe you'll need more than one sheet, or you'll need the front and back of one sheet. So it just depends on your skin, I guess. They're really great blotting papers. They just soak up the oil but leave the makeup. And if you try to blot your face with a tissue, like I said, you will remove makeup and still be shiny looking. So don't do that. Just please invest in these. They're really not expensive at all. There's other more expensive ones on the market, but I think these work just fine. Like I said, I chose them for my wedding day, which is one of the most important days of a woman's life, and it just goes to, and I'm a beauty junkie, so I think that might say something. And I also bought the NYX facial. It's like a matte finish fine mist spray, and that works really great together with it. So if it's really just to combat shine any season. I know like whether it's winter, but I know summer and spring, because the heat can be worse, but I think these are great for everyday use and special occasions. So I hope, and then it comes with this little heart sticker to close this, which is kind of cute. So this is NYX matte blotting paper, removes all the oil but not your makeup. I hope you guys try it out, and I hope you love it. Thanks for watching.